Hey guys, so we're doing this a little different, all right? Typically I just do a boring ass voiceover, but I decided that I was gonna show my face and watch the video alongside with you guys. So, this is a braid refresh video. These are my news braids. This video was filmed about, well, the contents of this video was filmed about a month and a week ago, if you want to be precise. So that is when I filmed all of this content, but it was taking me a while to do this portion of the video because I was just trying to get my life together. Yeah, so that I could sit down and be in front of you guys and be cute, and it just took a while to get here. So basically, let's get right into it. All right, so I'm refreshing my braids in this video. I'm just showing you guys exactly like how raggedy they look. They definitely need a refreshing. All right, so that is exactly what I'm looking at. That's what I'm showing you guys. That's what we looking at. And yeah, so basically it was, how long was it? I believe it was a little over a month. I kept the braids in for 2 months, but I believe I did this video a week before I took them out. So yeah, it was looking very rough. My braids are so fuzzy. There's so much new growth, and that's perfectly fine. It's a protective style, it's not supposed to look perfect forever. But I also love these braids. Y'all know it took me like 2 days to do these. So if y'all like me and you did your own goddess braids, we're trying to keep them in as long as possible. And I'm just showing you guys how I refresh them. So basically I just spray my scalp with some water. All right, and yeah, we just moistening up that scalp. All right, so of course we're refreshing these braids after we wash them, so I am going to do that. I basically wash my hair the same exact way. I section my hair into 4 sections. I spray my scalp with water, and then I put some shampoo on my hand, and I just get in there and I do this until I feel like my scalp is clean-ish, and then I rinse it all out after I've done loosen up my scalp. So right now, we put in some oil on our scalp. This is what I also did every week with my braids. So I would spray my scalp, put some oil in every section of my head, and rub it through. And that's how you get the most growth. Like, you literally have to spray water on your hair before you put oil on it, or you're not going to see the best results. So believe me, guys, my hair grew 1.5 inches in these braids this time. So, well, in those braids, not these braids. So yeah, so there's that. So I'm just making sure my scalp is very, very moisturized before I do this, because I'm going to use some gel, and got to make sure, because gel is very drying. So yeah, we doing this to every section. No, we're not playing no games. All right, so I am cleaning off my edges. I had some gel on my edges, so I'm just taking that off, and then I'm also going to oil up my edges as well. Y'all see my edges low-key long. Like, they used to be baby hairs, but they clearly adolescents now. So it's crazy. It's getting crazy. But I'm just smoothing that around with some oil. It might get a little messy, but that's fine. Yeah, because you gotta take care of your edges too, because if you don't take care of them, who will? Exactly. So basically, as you guys see, I am putting I'm using styling jam. I put it on the root of my braid, and I twist it in one direction, whatever direction is most comfortable with you. So I'm just going to, like, you guys see that growth? That's a lot of growth. Sheesh. Yeah, love to see it. All right, so I'm gonna put some gel there. I'm zooming in a little closer so you guys can see. Put some gel there, and we just twist. And basically, you put enough gel to hold your hair down. You don't have to overkill with it. If you put some gel in and it's still looking a little fuzzy, just add some more, because I mean, what's the worst that could happen? There's no gel police, babes. Do what you gotta do. So I am gonna do that to my entire head, every single braid. And y'all know it's about 80 something braids in my head. So yeah, so I do that to every single braid, and that's basically it. So you just really have to make sure your scalp is clean before you do this. You see, I was taking out my edges because I didn't want to pull in my edges, because I didn't want to pull them too tightly, and it already looks 10 times better. It already looks way better. So I used to not do this step. Like, I literally used to keep my braids in for a month, but I'm getting older. I don't be feeling like braiding my hair over once a month. It is annoying. It is ghetto. These braids are expensive. There's some human hair up in these braids. So, you know, we got a longevity, all right? As long as your hair is not suffering in the style, try to keep it a little longer. So you guys see it looks way better. I already twisted the back and everything. This is it after it's been twisted. Don't worry. It gets better than this. If you guys think I'm done, you're in for a surprise. Yeah, so yeah, I just twisted everything. Scalp still looks a little curly. I didn't say it's gonna look like you just got them done. Don't get it twisted, but at least you can see my parts now. Before they were getting lines was getting a little blurry, you know. So yeah, at least you can see my parts now. So ooh, looks very nice. Ignore my acne skin. I'm going through a crisis. So yeah, this looks way better, like way better. So now I am spraying my hair with some holding spray, and yeah, I'm just getting that everywhere on my roots. And I don't know why I be squinting like that. I'm so dramatic. It was not that bad. So yeah, that's what I use, the Shine and Jam. I'm showing you guys all the stuff I use. For my edges, I be using Edge Booster, you dig? And then I be using Extreme Hold. I use the Extreme Hold first, and then I go in with the Edge Booster on edges. Right now my edges done been through a shift at work, so they're a little fuzzy, but that is the way we do it. So I'm gonna show you guys right now how I lay my edges, because we getting ready period. So I'm putting the Extreme on my edges. Basically, you use the Extreme to mold out your edges, and then you use the booster gel to mold it. And when I tell you the booster gel it be tight, it be real nice. So y'all see, I was blessed with some very pretty edges. All right, nice, yum. So yeah, just doing that, wiping excess product away because it will dry and be nasty flaky. We don't want that. I mean, I want the flakes, huh? So I'm doing that just to mold out, like map out where I want my hair to lay, and it looks great right now. I feel like I got more edges out then than I do now. That's crazy. So basically now I'm putting on the Edge Booster, and I'm just making sure it's on every single part of my hair because it is very important. It's summertime here in NYC, and when I tell you, it is hot like more fire. So you know, gotta make sure them edges is laid, babes. So it looks real good, real nice. I'm very happy that I don't have as much edges out right now. Watching me do my edges, it's making me want to do my edges right now for no reason, because y'all see that? Healthy, clean scalp, really nice. When you wash your braids, make sure you're conditioning your braids as well. Don't be lazy. Use the conditioner. You see the side by side, the left side of your screen is after, the right side is before, you know, big things. It just looks very good. It looks very good. And then I put a scarf over it. Now you want to be fancy, you can add some heat on top of it, but I'm lazy. I know I just said don't be lazy, but that's because I'm lazy, and I know when you're lazy, you suffer in the worst way. So I just put a scarf over it, and that was that. So I'm showing you guys how it looked. I believe this was the following day. You know, still very nice. A little fuzzy at the top, and that's because I sleep with my hair in a bun. I be saying I'm gonna stop, but putting all these braids in a bonnet, it's a joke. So, you know, that is it. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see this makeup look. Go to my Instagram page. There is a reel about it. And that is it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Keep getting them goddess braids because they're made for the goddesses, you know, queens. So get into it. Catch you guys later. Bye.